Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that the moon has simply disappeared. There is no warning, no explanation, just a massive void where that silver sphere has guided us for millennia. At first glance, it might seem like just a visual curiosity, but the consequences would be far deeper and more catastrophic than anyone could imagine. The immediate effect would be felt in the tides. The moon is primarily responsible for pulling the Earth's oceans, creating high and low tides. Without its presence, this balance would vanish. Tides would drop drastically, affecting entire ecosystems that depend on these cycles for survival. Mangroves, coral reefs, and estuaries would quickly collapse. Animals that rely on tides for reproduction, such as some turtles and fish, would see their populations threatened. Marine life, which has synchronized with the moon for millions of years, would destabilize in unimaginable ways. Moreover, the moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing the Earth's axis. Our planet spins tilted at about 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane, and this tilt is largely maintained by the moon's gravitational influence. Without it, the Earth's axis could begin to wobble violently, causing extreme climate changes. Imagine regions that currently have mild summers turning into scorching deserts, or cold areas becoming frozen tundras. Seasons would become unpredictable, devastating crops, increasing food shortages, and disrupting human life patterns that we have considered stable for centuries. The moon's disappearance would also affect the Earth's rotation. Currently, the moon helps slow down the planet's spin. Without it, the Earth could rotate faster, shortening the days and creating strange effects. Storms would intensify with stronger winds, human and animal biological cycles would be disrupted, and sudden floods could become common, especially in coastal regions. It doesn't stop there. The moon also affects nocturnal animals and their behaviors. Many species use moonlight to hunt, migrate, or reproduce. Without the moon, the behavior of birds, insects, and nocturnal mammals would be drastically altered. Some species could quickly decline, while others might become even more aggressive predators due to disorientation caused by the absence of natural light. From a cultural and psychological perspective, the impact would be enormous as well. The moon has always been a constant presence in legends, poetry, and mythology worldwide. Its absence could create a collective sense of emptiness, a kind of global psychological trauma. Astronomers, poets, and dreamers would lose a constant source of inspiration, and humanity would have to adapt to the idea of a night sky that looks drastically different. There are also astronomical consequences. Without the moon, the Earth would be more vulnerable to asteroid and comet impacts. The moon acts as a shield, attracting or deflecting objects that might strike our planet. Without it, the frequency of catastrophic impacts would increase, making life on Earth more dangerous. Furthermore, space missions and the very study of lunar history would become impossible in the same way as part of our understanding of the Earth's and solar system's origins is tied to the moon's presence. Finally, the absence of the moon would alter human perception of time. From ancient lunar calendars to festivals and agricultural cycles, the moon has always been a natural reference for marking days, months, and seasons. Without it, all timekeeping based on natural cycles would need to be recalibrated. Everyday life, seemingly simple and silent, would begin to feel effects few could predict. Therefore, the sudden disappearance of the moon would not just be a rare visual spectacle or an astronomical curiosity. It would be an event with profound and far-reaching ramifications: ecological, climatic, cultural, psychological, and even existential. The empty night sky would be only the beginning. The true absence would be felt in every tide, every season, and every life on Earth, reminding us of how interconnected we are with that small silver orb that always seems so distant, yet in reality shapes everything we are.